She almost fell by himself. I was like, okay, there you go.
Hello my dears, and welcome to our daily yoga. Today it's all about yoga in or at the pool. First of all, invite your friends. Enjoy to be at the water. What is there? Which sounds are different? What is catching you? And whenever you feel ready, dive into it. And this can be just sitting next to the water, feeling it, hearing it, smelling it. Just embrace it in all your senses of being. And when you feel it, it's calling you, you can start with your feet, connecting. Maybe also your hands, or you already dive completely in. You take a few rounds and connect with the element of flow, element of the deep emotions, to let everything flow. Are you ready? The first exercise is Cobra, Buyang Asana, the Camel, Ustra Asana, and normally the way you get in, you get out, but we are in the water. Flow with it, embrace it and use it. Even the lotus is so much more easy. Be curious how the water is calling you. The warrior. Where is your inner balance? Is it a new one? You even want to lift up your legs or come into a completely backward bend. And then it's time for your favorite part. Shavasana. And in the water, use the element. It's just embracing you to fully let go, surrender. You can keep your eyes open, watch the sky above, or feel. Where does it take you? Do you want to move or keep silent? And finally, the last inspiration on the water. Penguin. I'm so curious, which one is your favorite water pose? Let me know in the comments. I'm so curious. Namaste.